Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss mathematical formulation of Newton's second law of motion. Consider a body of mass m having initial velocity u. Suppose a force F acts on this body at time t. Let the final velocity becomes v. Okay, so first we will write what is the initial momentum. Momentum is equal to the product of mass and velocity. So initial momentum of the body will be represented as pi, small pi, that is equal to m into u. Now final momentum of the body represented by P, represented as Pf. Pi is the initial momentum, Pf is the final momentum, is mv. Now what will be the change in momentum? Change in momentum is equal to Pf minus Pi, that is equal to mv minus mu. Clear, children? Okay. Now the rate of change of momentum, rate of change in momentum will be equal to change in momentum divided by time taken. Change in momentum divided by time taken, which is equal to mv minus mu divided by t. Here m I take common. What is left? V minus u divided by t. Now recall the Newton's first law of motion. Equation of motion. According to equation of motion, V is equal to u plus at. Now you can write V minus u by t is equal to a. Now substitute the value of V minus u by t here. So what you will get? This is equal to m into a. So here force rate of change of momentum is equal to m into a, and according to Newton's second law of motion, rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force. So we can write F is directly proportional to m into a. Here this is the proportionality sign. If we will convert it into equality sign, it will be followed with K A. Now here the value of force, the unit of force is chosen in such a way that the value of K becomes 1. So here value of K will become 1 and F is equal to m into A. Now the SI unit of force equal to Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. Here we can define 1 Newton as the force which is required to make a force required on a body of mass m, which is 1 kg, is to be accelerated in 1 meter per second square. Then value of n will be equal to 1. Here means mass will be equal to 1 kg. Force required to move an object of mass 1 kg with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Then what will be the value of force? Force will be equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 Newton, is equal to mass into acceleration is, acceleration is 1 meter per second square, kg into meter per second square, means 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter per second square. So, unit of force is Newton or kg meter per second square. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.